you want to see how I got these gorgeous toes done all by myself, keep watching. Hello everyone, welcome once again back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome as well. Do not forget to subscribe before you leave this video, okay? Now, BTArtbox has kindly sent me their new products in time for summer. So they have created new toenails. They're French tips and they are brown as well. I would write exactly the name of the product that I use and I'll put it on the screen for you and also in the description below. I have created 2 or 3 videos of me showing you how to apply the BTArtbox Gel X nails on my fingers. Lovely videos, so go check them out. I would link them to this video as well. So of course, to start, we have to prep our nails. So what I've just done is to remove any debris, any dirt, any dead skin using all my tools. So here I am just filing the nails as well, because you have to stick the nails onto a rough surface. So make sure you have cleaned your nails. You can use an e-file if you want. I'm using a file with the 180 grit, so that's what I use. And then if you need to file your nails down, file them down as well. So basically, make sure your nail prep is down to the T, because that is going to make sure that your Gel X nails last. After nail prep is done, all the dead skins removed, I use a lint-free cotton pad and nail polish remover to just clean my toenails, or alcohol wipes, just to make sure that all the dirt and lint and everything is all gone. Then I use my nail dehydrator and my primer. So the nail dehydrator I'm using is by Model Ones. I think they're called Model Ones or Model Ones, I'm not sure. Model Ones from Amazon, and also my primer is also from Model Ones, also from Amazon. So the nail dehydrator first, just to make sure that my toenails are really well dehydrated, no oils, no dirt, nothing. And then the nail primer is to just help the nail glue to stick on properly, so that my Gel X nails would last really long. So these are the nails. They come with different sizes and caters for different toenail beds, different toenail sizes. They come with short and they also come with long sizes as well. I really like the fact that this set is so versatile. Anybody and everyone can use it, no matter how wide or how small your toenails are. So these are the nails, and I like the fact that they have come out with a brown one, which obviously suits my skin color really well. They also have the pink set as well. So I like that this is brown. You can see all the different sizes for your big toe. And of course, you have 5 sets in there, so you can use this set 5 times. Also, the little toes have different sizes as well. So the first step is to get your size. Make sure that your artificial nail is fitting your nail sidewall to sidewall, not too big and not too small. For my toes, I don't really want my nails to be long, because I feel like they won't be comfortable and they could just get caught up in something. I don't really like long nails anyway, so I was able to get all the sizes that I wanted. And when you're taking out the nail, please make sure you take it out so that the handle comes with the nail, because that's the handle that you would use to hold the nail on when you're trying to stick it on. I like to get an e-file to kind of file inside of the artificial nail. This is so that it can create like a rough surface. I believe that also helps your nails to last longer, because they would glue like perfectly. BTArtbox gives you different glue options. You have your solid gel glue, which is what I'm showing you now. You also have the normal gel glue, and then you have the gap filled gel glue as well, which is this one. So how you use this is that you get your artificial nail and you scoop out any gel that you want, and then you just put it on your nail and then cure. You can also use like a tool to scoop out the gel. For this set that I'm doing, I'm going for the gel glue. Same process as always. I apply the gel glue to my nail, not too much, just a simple amount, and then I also apply the gel glue to the Gel X nail or the artificial nail as well, and then I stick it on making sure that there are no gaps. Make sure you push it down close to your cuticle. Make sure the glue fills all the gaps. Then get your UV light and cure. BTArtbox also sells a UV light, but I just find these ones that I can hold really easy and comfortable to use. I picked this from Amazon. So I hold down the nail for about 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, trust me, the nail is almost glued down. And then I just leave it to cure for the next about 50 seconds. Make sure you cure for 1 minute. And then I just apply the same technique to all my toenails. BTArtbox nails are the best DIY nails ever. They're so easy to apply, they're so easy to do, and they really last long. Minimum 2 weeks, trust me. Make sure you leave the handle on the nail. I don't know, you know that heart shape on the top of the nail? Make sure you leave it on because it's gonna help you to hold the artificial nail down when you are gluing it to your toes. This is me all done. All my toenails are stuck on. I then cure everything again, all my toenails together for another 60 seconds. After that, just cut off the attachment at the top of the nails, and then this is when you can file however shape you want. The nails come as square standard, so you can file the sides to make it like square round, or you can file the sides even down more to make it like proper round or easy almond shape. But just make sure you file to your content however you want it to look like. I eventually did like a square round, so I filed the sides, and then I also filed it a bit shorter than normal because I really want it to be short so that it doesn't get caught in my shoes if I wear cover shoes, or if I'm quite clumsy sometimes I could hit my leg anyway and I don't want to get hurt. So I made sure that I filed all the nails really low, short. I made sure I filed the nails really short because I kind of prefer it that way. After filing, one thing you can do here is to just take nail polish remover to clean the nails again, just in case there are any oils or anything there. Then take your builder gel, which is the number 1 in your BTArtbox set, and just add your builder gel. Please make sure you do not add too much so they don't run down to the side. It just gives you like this salon finish, and it also protects the French tip itself. So the white part of the nail, the builder gel will protect it so it will not peel. After the builder gel, you cure for another 60 seconds. To be honest, the only part that takes long is the curing. Adding the nails, painting, pretty much straightforward and easy. After 60 seconds, then you get your number 2 from the set, which is the top coat, and then just put it over your builder gel. Same technique, do not put too much, just a thin layer, and this also gives you like an extra salon finish. BTArtbox sell everything you need to be able to do your nails yourself at home. The builder gel, the top coat, the nails, the nail file, the UV lamp, everything is ready for you on their website. I would link their website in the description box below. After the top coat, you also cure again for 60 seconds, but I usually cure for 90 seconds, to be honest. Like, anyway, I'm done. That's it, girls. Ladies and gentlemen, you're done with your nails yourself in your own house, the comfort of your home. You've just saved yourself some money. In the UK, getting this done in the shop is going to cost you minimum £100, and you've done this yourself. And the set of nails doesn't even cost £100. Get onto the website, get these nails, and get it done for yourself. After that, I'm going to use cuticle oil just to refresh my cuticles again. They've gone through quite a few, filings, and they're a bit dry. And congratulations to you, congratulations to me. We've just done our nails at home ourselves. So I'm just going to go off camera to do the other foot and the other toenails, and I'll be back. We are done, and yes, we are done. Look at my toenails, guys. Look at my toenails. They're so beautiful. They're so gorgeous. And also, yeah, I also went a little bit further and I got my nails done. Just look at my nails. So these are like French tips. They are the short square ones. They are pink tips, actually. Yeah, they're the pink set. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Give me a like to this video and put your comments down below. Just ask me any questions whatsoever and I would answer you. Trust me, they are the easiest kind of nails to do. Even if you have no experience at all, they're easy and straightforward.